Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Does Novo accept international wire transfers? The short answer: yes, Novo does accept international wire transfers. The long answer: now, before I get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about what Novo is. Novo is a neobank that offers a variety of financial services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and debit cards. One of the things that makes Novo unique is that it allows you to receive international wire transfers. So, if you're looking for a bank that can help you manage your international finances, Novo is a great option. How to receive an international wire transfer at Novo. Now, let's talk about how to receive an international wire transfer at Novo. Here are the steps you need to follow. Open a Novo account. If you don't already have a Novo account, you'll need to create one. This is a simple process that can be done online in a few minutes. Get your Novo account number and routing number. You'll need to provide these to the sender of the wire transfer. Have the sender fill out the wire transfer form. The sender will need to provide their own bank information, as well as your Novo account number and routing number. Wait for the wire transfer to arrive. It can take up to 5 business days for a wire transfer to arrive at your Novo account. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for receiving an international wire transfer at Novo. Make sure that the sender uses the correct currency. Novo only accepts wire transfers in USD. Make sure that the sender includes your full name and address in the wire transfer form. If you're expecting a wire transfer, be sure to keep an eye on your Novo account balance. You'll be notified by email when the transfer arrives. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Novo or international wire transfers, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.